Yeah, hello all, welcome back. So in this session, we are going to create some statistical condition types. Previously, we have gone
Mm,
through base price condition type.
mm,
Yeah, this one, base price. Then some discounts,
mm.
some freight
Surcharges.
condition types, surcharges, all this. Then some tax condition types also.
That's it.
And
Mm,
we have also gone through the manual, means header freight and header discounts.
mm,
So in this class, we will go through some statistical condition types.
mm.
Okay,
Okay.
what are these statistical condition types?
Mm,
So if any condition type, if it is statistical,
mm,
if we check
mm.
statistical,
Okay.
okay, then the condition value does not have any impact on the net value,
Mm,
and the condition type value will not be posted into the accounting.
mm.
Okay, so now
Okay.
let me tell you where exactly you can put statistics. So if we
Mm,
go through the pricing procedure,
mm,
so if we go through our pricing procedure here,
mm,
if we go through the controls, here we can see many condition types, right? We have added
mm,
all of them. Here this is what is the base price, and these are all for discounts, and
mm,
these are all for freight conditions,
mm,
these are all surcharges.
mm,
Yeah, these are all discounts and these are all surcharges, and this is the
mm,
tax condition type. So here,
mm,
if you see, this one is the statistical value. This is the
mm,
statistical checkbox. So
mm,
if you check statistical to any of the condition types, then the condition type value will not get affected to the net value. In the same
mm,
way, the value will not be get posted into accounting.
mm,
So this is what we will use for the statistical condition types. And here I am going to
mm.
tell you about one of the statistical condition types, which is nothing but VPRS. So I think you also know about the VPRS condition type, as we have discussed earlier. What is the
Mm.
VPRS condition type?
Cost determination condition
Yes,
type.
which is
Maintenance
the
cost.
which is the condition type we use to determine the cost into sales document. Where we maintain the cost
Mm.
actually, we will maintain it in the material master,
Material.
in the
Mm,
accounting one view,
mm.
right? So now let me
Yeah.
use the condition type here.
Mm,
Actually, we place the cost statistical condition types entirely last to all these condition types. Means after placing all the condition types, we will use to place the cost condition types.
mm,
Not only cost condition types, all the statistical condition types.
mm,
Okay. So now let me use VPRS here. See, for the VPRS condition type, here we have to put
mm,
statistical value as X and
mm,
subtotal is B and the requirement is 4.
mm,
Okay. Now here the
mm,
statistical value is there and we have to use the
mm,
subtotal as B
mm,
and the requirement is 4 and the
mm,
best formula is 0. Of course, we need not to maintain also.
mm,
So now I have saved it, right?
mm.
So here for this condition type, we won't use the access sequence. So we will not create the condition records.
Mm,
And whatever the cost we maintain in the material master, that will be
mm,
displayed in the, where we can see that in the sales document. So
mm,
now let me take one of our materials.
mm,
See, let me take magazine 2 not.
mm,
This is what is our material. And if we go through the accounting here, accounting 1, here we can see the cost, right? So this is what is the cost. Actually we have two types of cost. One is standard cost and the second one is moving average. So here I'm using the standard cost. So what is the cost here? 100 rupees, right? So this is what we will get determined into the sales document.
Okay.
Okay, now let me save it and let me create the sales ad. But before that, let me tell you one thing. If you are creating the sales order here, let me give the customer here and the material here. See, this is what is our material, right? So if you would like to use the determine, means if you would like to use the VPRS condition type, then there is a control in the item category controls also, which I have already told you in the previous session. That's why it is nothing but in the item category controls, determine cost field has to be checked. So here the item category is TAN, right?
Yeah.
So now let me go through the transaction V/07. Sorry, VOV7. So here our item category is TAN, and if you go through this, then here you will find one field. It's nothing but determine cost field. This one has to be checked here. Of course, it's already checked, right? So if this field is unchecked, then you cannot get the VPRS cost, means VPRS congestion type will get determined into the sales document, because this is the one of the prerequisite to determine the VPRS condition type. Okay, so now let me create the order. So let me give a sold to party and the material here. And I think plant is missing, so now let me add the plant. So if we go inside this one, so if we go through the conditions, so now here you can able to see VPRS, nothing but the cost condition type. Right? So here what is the cost? 100 rupees, nothing but 1.84. As it is the statistical value, which will not have any impact on the net value, which means this value will not be added to this net value, and this value will not get added to the tax value also. And this is just a statistical, means here this is the cost. So what exactly the purpose of this condition type is? So if the means if we determine the cost here as the cost is 100 rupees, what is the cost? Cost is whatever the amount which the company made to make one product, right? So this is the product for which the company has, what is that? The company has used 100 rupees as the cost to make this product, and now the company would like to sell it for 150 rupees. This is the price. So the difference between price and cost is nothing but the amount incurred by the company to make the product, and price is nothing but at which the company will sell to the customer. Okay, so price minus cost is equal to the profit. Here the price is 150 and the cost is 100. So here the 50 is the profit, right?
Yeah.
So now, in order to come to know what exactly the profit they are getting, they will ask us to determine the VPRS condition type also, nothing but the cost condition type. So we will just determine it. It's just statistical, which does not have any impact on the net value or else on accounting. It's just to show here, that's only, nothing else more than that. So I think you are clear with the VPRS condition type.
Yeah, clear.
And if you have any queries in this regard, you can ask me now.
Mm.